So if you don't want to see yourself get on bad, turn away right now. But let your friends watch, just in case. Beach Juve moved to a different venue, but the vibe was just as nice. Show me where you Tonight it's all about soca vibes. Bacchanal Beach Juve brings you Pete, Destra Garcia, and a brand new venue.
I hope you drink is Smirnoff. Energy in Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, the whole Caribbean. It's carnival energy. We know how to party.
This is my last year of Beach Juve. Yeah, very last year.
Like that.
I'm going overseas, I'm not coming back. Yeah.
Fabulous, having fun. Like the sound.
Fabulous!
It's just crazy, okay?
I love soca, so wherever it is, I'm gonna be there.
Kerry John all the way from Trinidad, you know.
What did you like most about performing here in Jamaica?
Well, I just love the warm welcoming from the people, you know what I mean? This is my first time being here.
How are you enjoying Beach Juve tonight?
It's awesome!
What do you think about the new venue?
It's great. I think it accommodates everyone.
One fire is too far.
Awesome. It's the greatest. It's huge. It's so fantastic. A lot of space.
It works well, it's near the beach, it's accessible. There's crazy parking, so it works out.
People love the new venue. Destra was amazing, and the paint could have never done. Beach Juve, we'll see you again next year.